Next from Jennifer, you already said that you would share how you take care of your strawberries in spring. Can we expect that? Yes, and that's another video that I've yet to edit, so I should prioritize that one. Actually, I responded to you earlier about that, and yeah, let's get that video done. I mean, just to summarize it real quick to give you an idea of what it means is all I do is I dig them out every year. So strawberries self-propagate, right? They have rhizomes that shoot around, and then the plant will reproduce itself many times over in the year. And what I do, and the beds get kind of cluttered because there just becomes so many strawberry plants in there. And that's a problem if you have a contained area, because then there's nowhere else for them to go. My strawberries got so thick that they grew out of the raised beds and started rooting themselves in the pea gravel on the ground in my front yard garden. So it was really neat because I actually went and I just took a knife basically and cut all the runners off the sides of the beds in the fall. That produced another few hundred plants at least. And then I dug them out just a couple weeks ago, dig everything out, and then throw it in a little into some bins, refertilize the soil. I sprinkle some sustained fertilizer in there, the one I just mentioned earlier. New layer of compost. I just fill the beds. Actually, what I do now is I go a little bit over the top with the beds because they do kind of settle down. And then I just replant the strawberries, but then I plant them at 6-inch centers. So now they have way more space. And now it's like new plants that have all this room and fertile soil to grow in. And then they just explode. And so I've been doing that for a number of years now, and it works very, very well. Incredible strawberry yields, just absolutely incredible. So I'm looking forward to more of those this year.